Hello, let's go over the sphere mask distort material function. Let me preview it. There we go. And as you see, it's a normal sphere at the moment. You can just plug in a normal map. I tend to use those. You can actually use grayscale as well. There's not much changing at the moment. But if I add a panner to this, there we go. And set this value to something like 0.3, 0.2. You can already see that there's a little bit going on here. But you might have to tweak it a little bit more. Let's change the distortion amount. Low values seem to work better. I'm going to show it at 1. But 0.05 or so already gets some nice edge effect going on. Now you can also tweak the radius of the sphere. You might need to resize it depending on how big that the noise is. So 0.5 should work, but 0.4 might work better. Just so that you don't have any cutoffs around the edges. You can also play something with the hardness or how strong that the edge blur is. At 0 it's like this, at 1 it's quite strong. So just play around with those values that you want, and obviously there's a UV channel in case you need to apply this on another UV channel. Let me increase the distortion amount just so you can show a little more what's going on there. As you can see, there's a little bit of a cutoff at the top at the moment, and for that reason I added the radius, because you might want to decrease that value a little bit until it doesn't do that. And now you have something like this. If you grab another noise normal, you get totally different results depending on that. This one actually looks quite cool. So you just play around with noises until you get some effect that you actually really like. Now obviously you don't need a panner, you can also add a rotator or whatever you want. So it now just acts like a normal sprite, of course. You can still add a panner to it, but that might mess up. Okay, that should be it for the sphere mask distort. Hopefully that helps, and take care.